Hey you guys, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you what I had picked up and what I'm going to have for dinner. I picked up this Perdue chicken breast nuggets. They are very good. I've seen them all the time in the market, but this is my first, well, this would be my second time trying them. So, and they're a little cheaper than the other little chicken that I buy. So these are good. And I also picked up Chick-fil-A sauce to dip in them. I picked up me some creamy Italian. You gotta get this when you can. I like to dip this, you guys, like in my tomatoes and cucumbers, like for a snack. This is very good for that. And some cilantro lime rice. Thinking about making a vegetable bowl. A few cherries, that's all I need. And this is going to be for dinner, this little Dan P.F. Chang bowl. And I had this salad in there that I had to eat up because the expiration date is on the 18th. So that's going to be gone. And these Outshine bars. Okay, that's like a clear. But these Outshine bars is coconut. To me, it tastes like ice cream more instead of a fruit bar. So I like these. I only ate one, so I'll probably eat one a day. That'll do me. And that's about it. My coffee. All right, my coffee. Coffee mug. Oh, it's a little sweet. So, I'm going to wash my coffee pot out, you guys. I have it in the sink. My hairs are tied up because I'm getting ready to go back to work tomorrow. We had an extended break because we had a water main break in the building. So hopefully we'll get a call today, say everything is okay. So that's what I'm preparing for. Okay, you guys? So I'm going to wash out my little coffee mug and wipe down everything. And here is my plant. Okay. Now it started off with these guys. I had a small piece that was broken off. Oh, like he's coming up. Let me see. And I planted it in here. Then it blossomed and really did really well. And I make sure I keep the blinds open in the kitchen if I can get the sunlight. I just put some water in it. And so that's pretty cool. And I have them for a while. I didn't want to throw it out, and I can re-blossom it. So I'm not doing anything, just wiping stuff down. And oh boy, I was watching a little cable news, got tired of that, talking about the same thing. And so I'm just wiping everything down in my kitchen and my tables and everything. And that's it. Okay. I had my little vinegar drink this morning. I gotta wash this out. We're expecting rain, so by the time that comes, I will be upstairs. Okay, so wiping everything down. These muffins are so good, you guys. I eat one a day. So today I gotta eat another one because they expire on tomorrow. Tomorrow's the 17th. Wow, that came up fast. So I'm gonna have to eat one, probably put the other one in the freezer. Only got 2 left. other than that, you guys, I'm just move my plant back a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna open this thing. I don't know how long this thing take to cook. Oh boy. Okay, this is how that bowl look, you guys. I hope you can really see it. Some big mushrooms in here. Really big mushrooms. Okay. I had this before, but I never had the mushroom this big. Like they did one slice and threw them in there. Okay. This says cook for 4 to 5.5 minutes. So I'm gonna cook that. I gotta wipe down my refrigerator, and that's it, you guys. This is my water, and these the sodas that I got from Kroger. And this pack is halfway gone. Okay, I like to stock up on water. You can drink like 3 or 4 per day. So I thank you guys for watching and spending a little of your time with me while I wipe down. And this is my old air fryer. I have a new one in the basement that's digital, because this one now is starting to make a lot of noise. I had it for like 2 years. Yeah. And it's starting to make a noise, so I got the other one on standby. And this coffee maker here, I had this coffee maker. Wow, when did I get this coffee maker? I think I bought this when my daughter, her first year going off to college. Ooh, so I had this probably, let me see, she graduated, then she went. So I might have had this for 7 years. I remember I paid like $10 for it at Target's, and I still use it. And once again, I have another one in the basement that's digital, but I used this. It's been, like 7 years. She graduated, then she went on and got her master's, and it's still working fine. I just let it stand up like this to get all the moisture out of it. Okay, and my little, you see this, my little coffee. I think this is so cute. This is what I store my coffee in. I got my little spoon here. See there? And I store my coffee in here. Yep. Just trying to keep everything wiped down and fresh. So what I probably will do, you guys, is go in here and look at coupons and see what CVS got for the week and get my extra bucks out. And once I get my extra bucks and see what I'm working with, I have to pick up my, sorry you guys, my new glasses. They called me and want me to pick them up, so after work or whatever, I will be picking up my new glasses. And so I will be up that way. And this is because I'm a couponer. And this, let me see, I don't know which one they had on the news. I think it was this one here. They were saying that it's, you can see it, this one here. It's less scrubbing and it's no mess. I haven't tried this yet because I have a stockpile of this, but I want to see, is it less scrubbing, because to me it looks like the same thing but in a different bottle. So I'm gonna see how this work, how they say it work. And this one here, they say you pump on the sponge and it's 5 times more grease absorbent. So I want to see, you know, do it speak to his name, because they put the stuff out there. You go out and get the stuff and it work like the other brand. So I don't know. So I'm be, especially this one, 50% less scrubbing. So I'm gonna be using that, you guys. And let me go in here and I'm gonna start this lunch. And about to sit my behind down. And I thank you guys for watching. And I'm gonna continue on wiping down stuff, making stuff clean, and making stuff fresh, and everything. So I don't have to do it on the weekend. Okay, and this is, you want to know what I'm using, is this. So, alrighty guys, I thank you all for watching and listen to me ramble and listen to me clean. Okay, and I'm gonna finish doing this, and I thank you guys for watching. Bye bye now.